O Jafar ibn Muhammad, you speak of a creator, but I see no God. Show me proof of his existence.
Do you see the ships that cross the sea? They carry people and goods, yet they do not move without a sailor. Tell me, how then does this vast universe, with its stars and planets, move without a controller?
Perhaps it moves by itself.
If a ship without a captain is lost and destroyed by the waves, how then does the sun rise every morning with perfect timing? The moon follow its phases. The stars shine in order, all without chaos. Do you not see design?
But if God exists, why can I not see him?
You cannot see the wind, yet you feel its effect. You cannot see your own mind, yet you know it guides your body. So too is the Creator, unseen, but his signs are everywhere.
Then who created this creator you speak of?
Tell me, when you count numbers, what is before one? Nothing. The one is the beginning of all numbers. Likewise, God is the first without beginning, and everything else comes after him.
The atheist fell silent. The logic of Imam Al-Sadiq left no space for doubt. His wisdom showed that faith is not blind belief, but a truth rooted in reason.